Today, we're going to learn about volcanoes and how they erupt. And then after, we're going to do some experiments. These are the experiments we're going to learn about. There's volcanoes all over the world. Some are underwater, some are on land. And when they're not erupting, they look like a regular mountain. The ground is the crust, and underneath is the magma. And there's cracks under the volcano, and the magma could do this, and when there's too much pressure, it erupts. When it comes out of the volcano, it goes on the sides of the volcano, and when it's doing that, it's cooling down and it will turn into lava and rock. And this is what it looks like when it's coming out of the volcano, and this is what it looks like out of the volcano.
So it comes out red and hot,
Yes.
And when it cools off, it turns to black lava rock, right?
All volcanoes, some volcanoes erupt a lot. And some won't erupt for many, many years. Alright, now we're going to set up our experiments now.
For our first volcano, we're going to need to make the volcano. So we have this mold that we have to use the plaster. And then we're going to have to paint it. And we use the citric acid, baking soda to get it to erupt. Our second volcano is already pre-made. We just have to use the baking soda and vinegar to get that one to erupt. So we're going to get them all set up. The scientist is ready for his experiment. He is making the volcano.
Oh, it's hot. Looks like what we make in pancakes.
No, you don't need any more.
It's hard.
You have to stir it up.
Looks like peach on milk.
Okay, so we have our mold in the fridge and we're not sure if it's gonna work because I think we put a little too much water in the plaster. So we'll see how that turns out. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the next volcano. All right, Brayden, go ahead and unscrew the top of the volcano and place the funnel inside. All right, hold the funnel as you pour that 50 milliliters of vinegar into the volcano. Okay, go ahead and take the funnel out and set it next to it on the plate. All right, take one of your colors and just drop a couple drops in there because we're going to do both colors. Is it coming out in drops?
No.
All right, let's see.
I can't even drop it. I did this. I flipped it over and then squeezed it.
Okay, go ahead and put some of that color in there. Just not too much. All right.
And what's next, Mom?
Now I'm going to clean out the funnel and then we will put in the baking soda and see it erupt.
Yeah! Whoosh!
Okay, so in a second here, Braden's going to put the funnel into the volcano, drop in half a tablespoon of baking soda, and then quickly take the funnel out and get out of the way.
Because we don't want to get sprayed on.
Yeah. Okay, go.
I'm going to do that again.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
We can do it one more time. All right. All right, here we go with round 2. Good job.
Wow, thanks for watching. I had so much fun having the volcano erupt. It would just splatter right on me, only the first time. I got the second one all the way. But it was fun. We'll let you know if our second volcano experiment works.
We're waiting for it to harden up, huh?
We'll wait for it to harden up. Right.
Yeah. So we hope you liked learning about volcanoes.
And I hope you liked watching volcanoes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Puzzle.
We were able to save our second volcano, and it did harden overnight, so now Braden is painting it. Trying to make it look like a real volcano. So when he's finished, we will go ahead and make this one erupt also.
I decorated my volcano. Now I'm ready to start. What's the first step, Mom?
Okay, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of citric acid and 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
What's the next step, Mom?
You have to put everything that's in that cup into the tube.
Can I dump the whole thing in?
If you can do it carefully.
I put the rest in here. That's you. What's the next step, Mom?
Okay, for a bigger eruption, you're going to put in a couple drops of dishwashing soap.
Well, when I just went off, it just made a bubble and hit the soap.
Mm-hmm.
Just like the penguin. And then what's my next step, Mom?
Put your glasses on.
The soggy.
Okay, so now you're going to add your water a little quickly and then move out of the way.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That one's still going like a real volcano.
Yeah. Well, the paint is in a mess, so let's do it again.
Do it again?
Yeah. Daddy, you see that? That was... Let's do it again. It's time again. This one's better than last time. It's filling up more than in the plate. I hope you love learning volcanoes with me. If you want to learn more stuff, not volcanoes, but more stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.